In this video, how to check order. In the sidebar, click the order option. Inside orders, you will see two sections: kitchen order ticket and orders. First, we can see kitchen order ticket. Click the kitchen order ticket option. The KOT screen will be appear on the screen. Here you can check pending orders in kitchen, ready foods, cancelled orders. You can also filter the orders time wise. When you want to send on orders to the kitchen, click start cooking. The orders will move to the kitchen. Next one, order. Click the order option. Here you can check order by time. Today, current weeks, last week, or set a custom range using form data and to date. If you want to place a new order, click new order option. Select the required time for the order. Choose how you want to process the order, for example, KOT, print, or any other option available in the system. Once saved, the order will when you check the order screen again, the order will created will be visible here.